What's going on, guys? And happy Natural Tree Day. And I know
It's National Tree Day?
it's Natural Tree Day.
I haven't heard you say this before, because this is our first time filming this intro.
Yeah, first time filming the intro. We're definitely not. The first time it was definitely not corrupted.
Yeah, wow. I had no idea it was National
What's your
Tree
favorite
Day.
tree?
I'll have to think about this, because I definitely don't have an answer that I said earlier.
I like the truffle trees.
Groot's is the best tree.
Uh,
Although my real life answer is the redwood trees, but they're the tallest, or is it the sequoia that's the tallest?
it's the redwood.
Okay. Anyway, they are tall, and
I'm taller.
You sure about that?
I don't know about that one.
We got a snack crate. From what country? I don't know.
Yeah, you have no idea. Me either.
Can we get a drum roll, please? It's from the UK.
No way.
Yeah. Come on, I need more enthusiasm.
What do you want?
I want more enthusiasm. Let's try this again. Try this again. We got snacks from the UK.
Ah! No way! No, I had no idea.
Yeah, no way. Yeah. Yeah. We got UK. We definitely did not try any snacks already because we definitely did not film this intro twice.
If we had, it would have only been 2, but we didn't. So
Yeah. So we already tried a couple snacks. So.
look,
yeah.
there's this. Wow! Look at the snack we randomly picked. It's even already open for us.
It's already open.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
And you normally okay. Okay. Normally, you should not eat something that's already open when you get it, but we know why it was open, so.
There's squishies.
Swizzles, Squishies, Drumstick. Sour cherry and apple flavor. Loved since 1928.
Wow. 1928. I wasn't even born yet.
I'm pretty sure you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, I mean, you and Sid from Ice Age were probably best friends.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He's older than me, so he's.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Me too.
This is the best snack so far.
This is my first time hearing you make that joke today. Oh wow!
Oh wow!
We found another one. This one, time to open it for the first time. This one is Skips Light and Melty Prawn Cocktail Flavor. Should I read the box again like I did the whole thing? Like I did last
It's
time?
not a box.
The bag, whatever.
I give it a 7 out of 10. Nikki's forehead.
I give it a 5.8 out of 10. Wiimotes.
Ghost? The ghost just opened the door.
Yeah, we got a ghost. The new member of the crew. What do we call the crew now? JTFA.
The epic ultimate savages.
I'm good. You can change your channel to the epic ultimate savage, but I'm not plural. I'm not part of this.
Come on, you don't want to be an epic ultimate savage.
No, I don't.
Hashtag savage.
Hashtag swag.
Hashtag swag.
And then you hit a dab afterwards.
Oh, and then okay, moving on to the next snack. Oh wow! I definitely did not pick this.
Well, we didn't eat it, so.
It didn't eat it. It's a purple thing. It's Thanos.
You sure about that?
Vimto, a chew bar. I'm assuming it's gonna be very chewy.
And what gave you that idea?
I don't know. A three, a two, a twan.
Very sticky.
Despite being very sticky and chewy, the flavor isn't that bad.
It's just getting stuck in my teeth. It's not. I don't.
I used to like Laffy Taffy. Now I'm older. I don't like that it gets stuck in my teeth. I'll give it 6.5. So the flavor is better than that.
I like the flavor better than those things, but it like just all went to my teeth, and I barely got to actually swallow any of it. So for that, I think I'd give it like a 5.5. I'm gonna always make sure the average is right in the middle.
Well, these all in the middle.
Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Drop. Sizzle.
Rainbow Dash
Sizzle.
from My Little Pony.
Okay.
How do I know about My Little Pony? My sister.
I figured.
3, a 2, a 1. Hopefully it's better than the smell. Oh. I kinda don't like that.
Yeah, I don't love it. Like, they don't taste that bad, but they don't taste that good either, and they don't really crunch, they just kind of collapse.
Yeah. Give it a 4 out of 10.
I should give it a 6, so it's
No!
Or, yeah, I'll give it a 4 as well.
Thank you. Alrighty.
It's maybe a little extra.
I got a bar. Oh no, it's not a bar.
Extreme Chewits!
Extreme!
Stop it. Get some help.
Warning! Don't bite off more than you can chew.
Video game character.
Nutrition information per 100 grams. Energy 1,645 kilojoules.
You sound.
Or
you
391 kilocalories.
sound like the announcer in Mortal Kombat.
Do I?
Yeah.
First. It says, Chewits Extreme!
Okay. The extreme there.
Right. That's the idea.
A 3! A 2! 1! Why does this cherry kind of taste like medicine?
I don't know if I'd say it tastes like medicine. Unlike that thing from last time that didn't. Oh, that didn't go in the video, so.
It's very similar to this.
Not quite as sticky. I mean, it doesn't get in your teeth as much, and it's less solid, it's more squishy.
I'll give it a 5.
I will give the Chewits Extreme a 5. As well. This.
Doritos!
The snack seems pretty nuts.
That's nut, bro!
Several bad puns later.
Chili heat wave flavored coated peanuts.
We're about to be in a nutty switch situation.
Several bad puns later.
5, 3, 1, go.
Right, interesting countdown. Okay, it's.
Oh, it has a little kick.
I don't feel it.
A little. Like mild.
I don't feel it at all. I don't know.
I don't typically like nuts.
Why not? That's nuts, bro. Yeah, I guess there is like a little bit of spice on the out. Like there's some sort of seasoning that has like the tiniest bit.
6.9.
6.7.
Alright. We got 2 of these apparently. So we'll just save this later. We're gonna have this one. It's Sour Patch Cola flavor. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That actually tastes like cola. I like this. $9.9.
I don't know. This isn't really my kind of thing. I don't think it's like
9.9 Pablos.
I don't think it's like bad necessarily. I just wouldn't eat this. I'd give it like a 5.
Actually, why don't we let Patrick pick one?
But it's my turn. But fine. Oh, he's rummaging around.
I'm not moving. The world is moving me.
This is some
Hey,
high-quality
SpongeBob,
special
I think I
effects.
unlocked
They
travel
have
mode.
no idea how we're doing this.
Wait,
box
oranges
isn't
invented
moving on
orange,
its own.
right? So, did bananas invent yellow? SpongeBob,
Oh, I
I'm
think
scared
he
of
picked
fruit
something.
now.
I think
I'm
he
learning
picked
so
something.
much today.
It's,
Mostly that sliding is fun and colors
he
are
picked,
confusing.
He picked this all by himself. Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you, Patrick. Wow, Patrick abused SpongeBob's not gonna like you. You can keep watching this video.
Yeah, SpongeBob's gonna watch this video. Wait, hold on. I just realized, is that the guy from Fortnite?
Are you the guys from Fortnite?
I'm the guy from Fortnite. I got a victory royale by hiding in a bush and eating a sandwich. I once built a giant tower straight up, then forgot how to get down. Best moment of my life. I rode a shopping cart off a cliff and yelled, "Pro Gamer," the whole way down. Hoo-ah!
What do we have here?
Walker's Glorious Cheese and Onion Chips. So they're like potato.
Why does that logo look like the Lay's logo?
I don't know.
They knockoff?
also sell potato chips. Maybe Lay's is the knockoff. I don't know. 100% Great British Potatoes.
Potato chip.
It must be a strawberry.
Tastes like a potato chip. Cheese and onion. That's a pretty good potato chip. I like my potato chips. I'll give it an 8.
I like potato.
0.5.
I like potato chips. I just don't know if I like the cheese and onion flavor.
I like the cheese and onion flavor.
I'd give it like a 5. I don't know.
You're giving a lot of 5s.
Yeah.
Skittles!
Skittles Giants Gooey. Fruit Skittles Giants Gooey.
It looks like they just put jelly between the Skittles.
Red one, like the movie.
3, 2,000 go. It tastes like a Skittle, regular Skittle, and then the jelly just came in. I like Skittles. I'm a bit biased about this. Skittles and Sour Patch Kids are my favorite candies.
I don't mind it. I mean, I kind of like regular Skittles better just because I'm kind of thrown off by feeling the jelly in the middle.
I'll give it a 7.
I'd give it a 6. That is coincidence that's how it happened. That's not a reference to anything.
And it's raspberry, grape, and apple, and raspberry. No, that's raspberry, grape, and apple.
Is that a grape or an olive?
Olive.
It's probably a grape, but it
looks
kind
like
of.
a grape.
It also kind of looks like an
It's
olive.
the same brand as the other one. Vinto. Yeah, this one. It's that now it's cut off. Vinto. It feels really tight. So
Tight.
I mean, I'm gonna put it over here.
Hey, put in the middle. We're fine. Fine. I don't know.
Since 1908.
Okay. It reminds me a little bit of medicine, but not as much as the other drink from last time that we lost the footage or didn't actually record.
A 1. Ugh.
I don't think it's that bad. I'm gonna give it like a 4.5.
Still the worst.
Yeah.
Potato chip?
Frazzle's crispy bacon flavor. It's the crispy bacon flavor corn
Bacon!
snack. Well,
Bacon!
well, it's bacon flavored, so it's like bacon flavored chips. Crispy.
3. I was kind of expecting more of a stronger bacon taste.
That's weird. It has like a really strong bacon smell, but then
Yeah.
the taste is kind of neutral.
8 out of 10.
I
Patrick stars.
would give it a 4.5 out of 10. Patrick circles.
We have Skittles Giants.
So is it just the same thing but not gooey? Okay.
I think so. Go! 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty much just Skittles but bigger. 7.5.
So it's higher than the other Skittles.
Piper's Upton Shane
Oh no!
Jalapeno and Dill Crisps.
Oh no!
He's gonna die. I don't know.
I don't like jalapeno or dill. Dill is basically pickle. 1. Mm-mm. I don't like the flavor at all.
I like the initial flavor. The aftertaste a little weird. It's a little bit like wanna wash it down with some Vimto.
No!
Yeah, there's a little bit of taste. I think it's fine. I don't know. Not necessarily my first choice, but I like it better than the other chips.
2.
I'll give it a 6. Okay. I would have picked the box personally.
Space Raiders! Like the game.
Is that a game?
Space Raiders from the arcade game. Oh
There's-
no, Space Invaders.
That's Space Invaders.
Alright, Beth!
It's got lore on the back.
3. Oh,
Wait,
it's an alien.
I'm reading the lore.
3.
I'm reading the lore. Tyler, they've got lore on the Space Raiders. Their species is giant
It
grubber.
tastes like Beth.
I don't.
Beef.
Their
That's better than the other the chip.
their home planet is Zouch. They inhabit forests and caves, and their favorite snack is AstroTurf, grazed bovine, and beef Space Raiders. So they like to eat this. Baked, not bread.
A 5.5.
I'd give it a 5.51.
Let's go 5.1.
No, 5.51. Okay, we'll let the audience read the.
They already see it. There's places you can see in overlap in afternoon tea. Tea around in Britain in the 1600s, nation across the UK. In rural England, you find simple, even in the Northern Ireland where food or culture often overlap with both British and Irish food influences. Tea staples might include tea had evolved into something more structured. Afternoon tea. This light of sandwiches, cakes, and pastries in regional festivities, while Northern Ireland blends influences with across the island with distinctly. Sounds like a snack break from different countries. It all comes back to the same idea: grab a snack and put them on the kettle. On. You get that?
No.
Okay, make it quick. Make it quick.
That's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Epic. What are the names? Epic Tyler, Game Master Ty, Epic Ty Destruction, and yeah. Bye. That was not poorly paced at all. Bye, Patrick. Patrick says bye.